to get much deeper.
There's a crazy wave though that's super fast.
I know, but did you see the message? They're gonna do a 10 times chance for divine brain rots.
My goodness, Sonny. Need to look at again.
Get me to a safer place. Take cover. Excellent. Melon, I'm getting deep into the world now. I will gather all the blocks for us.
Trying to get deep as well.
This is a radioactive mythical. I don't want that. It's too trash. And did you notice there's now levels on everything?
Madu.
It means you could
Pin!
pre-leveled up and save a
Ulitin ko to!
Nice to get something insane out.
Yes, something already at a higher level. Look at these brain rots. They start at like level 67. Oh no, that's not 23. Stein.
Bro, there's a crazy lucky block up there. You gotta go and get it.
I got a radioactive secret
Uy!
with a mystery level.
Okay, you got that good one. Okay, just see it. I see it. At least one of us has it.
Yes, and we should not betray each other because if we do, we lose all of them.
Yeah, so I'm not gonna whack you.
And what I was trying to point out before is all these brain rots that come with higher levels at the beginning are awesome. This Gatino is level 29, so it already makes 65 million. Saves you so much effort.
Good luck. Here it is.
So guys, si Sunny and Melon, I wish na-join ko siya sa Roblox. Di ko naman sinasabi ko nga. Dapat sa 2036 ng video sila ng rifles, tapos lalabang kami. Thank you, bye! Tapos, bigyan niya ako ng Robux, I wish. Bigyan niya ako lang nanon. Bye! Bigyan nga!
I'm sorry, second
I wish.
There's literally an area called the secret zone that's after mythical.
Sana makasawa ko ba? I wish.
Insane.
What did you find?
I want to show you. I don't even know if this is new.
I wish I got the Robux para kay Sunny and Melon. Yun, the end lang yun, Melon and Sunny.
Love you, bye.